Hello and welcome back to 100% Info. In this video, I will show you how to fix your auto brightness not working on OnePlus Nord 5. Let's begin. And we can begin with simply checking if we have auto brightness enabled. We can easily do that by expanding our control center twice, or even not twice. As you can see here, we have our auto brightness bar. Well, just brightness bar. But did you know that you can simply click the sun icon to automatically enable that auto brightness? Manually enable that auto brightness, that is. That's pretty cool. And of course, we can disable it in the same way. So you want to make sure that it's enabled before you actually try to search for your brightness not working. However, if you have it enabled and for some reason it's still not working, I would advise you to simply reboot your device. You can easily do that by actually just pressing and holding your power button and volume up button, just like that. And now we want to go with restart. I know that this may seem kind of silly, but it does really help. Whenever you reboot your phone, you're not only rebooting the software, but hardware as well, including the sensors that are responsible for detecting your auto brightness levels. Which is pretty cool and a very healthy habit to, just reboot your phone from time to time. Anyway, that's all for this video. If you found it useful, remember to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.